Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys theme setting in a Tecno phone. So in this video friends I will show you guys how can you set your theme in your Tecno phone friends. You want to set your theme in your Tecno phone. So friends how can you set in this video friends I am going to show you. So before starting video friends I want to tell you guys if you need my channel, so friends first of all you can subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So first of all guys open your phone setting to set your phone theme. So we will on guys our phone setting to set theme and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see theme and lock screen setting. Friends, tap here and guys click on my theme. So as you can see guys we have already two themes, so we will set into this theme and guys we will apply from here to set. So as you can see congratulations success, and guys you can see guys your phone theme will set in your Tecno phone and guys your wallpaper will remove in your phone. So like that guys you can set guys your theme in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends, we will meet on next video. Bye bye. Before going guys please comment, like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye friends, thanks for watching.